Tracking user actions on your website with the Snapchat Pixel is essential for successful advertising, and today, we're making it easy with Google Tag Manager. First, let's get started by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Then, click on Tags in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where we'll set up the Snapchat Pixel. Click New to create a new tag. Next, click on Tag Configuration to select your tag type. Scroll through the options and choose Custom HTML. Now, head over to your Snapchat Ads Manager account. Under the Manage Ads section, find your pixel and copy the pixel base code. Paste this code within the custom HTML box in Google Tag Manager. This base code is your foundation for tracking. Next, we need to tell Tag Manager when to fire this Snapchat Pixel. Click on Triggering to define these events. Click on the sign on the top right corner of this section. A trigger is what happens when a certain event, like loading a page, occurs. The most basic trigger is all pages. Select this. This ensures your pixel tracks all page views. You can also create more specific triggers for other actions, like clicks and form submissions. Give your tag a descriptive name, such as Snapchat Pixel All Pages to keep things organized. Save your tag, and then make sure to publish your changes within Tag Manager. Finally, head back into your Snapchat Ads Manager. You should start to see activity data, showing the events that are being tracked from your website, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your Snapchat Pixel with Google Tag Manager. You are now on your way to better advertising insights and ad management.